Hey guys, welcome back to another World Schooling video. And here we've got rubber boots, and you will need rubber boots on a farm, okay? So allow me to share with you. These ones need cleaning. If you don't have rubber boots, you never use the rubber boots. Well, today you're gonna see why I use a rubber boots, okay? Join me on this water source campaign, okay? Hey guys, so I was going to clean my well and I met the devil. Okay, there I am, and these are vipers. So when you're cleaning up, you have to be careful. It sounds like I'm blowing. It's because I was wrestling. Okay, so now I'm gonna get it, and 1 second, I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna make sure that it's dead. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Viper. Okay, it's a viper. Viper, guys. Viper. There is here a snake. Diamond tip. Now, I'm a jungle expert, so retired military, so yeah, I know them when I see them, and I know. There we go, viper. Okay, there we go, viper, diamond covered. Diamond, everything is crazy. Now these don't grow big, but if these clop you, that's it. I was just going to show you how I'll be cleaning out my well, and I met this story. Okay, now it's still moving, the tail. That's because I already broke its back. Okay, this is known as a runka. You never move without this or some piece of staff or stick on a farm. Okay, these will not move. They will wait for you to come right up on them. Okay, and if you notice, it's the same color of the soil. So I was going down, and then I made it right there. My dog almost got bit. Okay, so today's plans is cancelled because where one is, there's another one close by. Okay, that's number one. Number two, this is a snake lesson for you. I didn't set out to do this. I'm cleaning Worldschooling Calabria. My team should be in on next Monday, but I begin ahead of them. This has to be washed because it's clean with, it's dirty with venom. So this is what I was gonna use to beat out the part of my well that I didn't need, and I'm gonna reach down now. Hold on. I see something else in there. Hold on. So once you are when you come to Worldschooling Calabria, this video is not to frighten you. This video is to show you that whenever you're doing a farming anywhere, you need to pay attention. Okay, so I'm not going to put this with anything. It's dirty. Okay, it's got venom. Now I'm gonna, oh Lord, I'm gonna reverse. I'm gonna use an extension. I'm not gonna push my hand anywhere because I just told you where one is. There's a likelihood of another one. Okay, there we go. Okay, there it is over there. Okay, my shade. This is my boots. I was going to work and clean my well. I'm done with that. I postponed that plan because it's all the way down. Then if I get bite, my wife and daughter are up here. No one can help me, and no friends are around today. Okay, today is Wednesday, the 22nd, I think, of May 2024. This place takes about 2 weeks to clean. I've got to get it clean because after the winter, everything grows up when the spring, when the sun comes out. So you see a road was already made here. It was made intentionally with the plow, because imagine someone walking down and the path is not cleared. I was able to see that viper because the path was clear, and I was able to prevent my dog from getting bite and from myself getting bite. So what I'm going to do now is going to change what I was going to do. I'm going to reverse and I'm going to change my workflow. I'm not going to go in the thickets of the bush today because I'm going to put myself in trouble that way. Okay, that little white one almost got bitten just now. Almost. Okay, almost. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean here, because people walk here, and I can clean this before the team come. And the runka, I need to get the runka. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna teach you a trick that if you're ever on a farm of your own and you don't know if snakes are around, this is a trick. You just create noise and vibration. Okay, so okay, with this second. Okay, so now creating noise around. Okay, so that vibration is enough. Never estimate that a snake is dead because you hit it 1,000 times. Okay, so you have to stay away from the snake, and then you have to always look around because there might be another one. Maybe you can call it a couple. Okay, around. And when I was in Guyana doing jungle warfare training, okay, that's one of the lessons we got. Okay, that there was a snake known as the Bushmaster, and that traveled in twos. And then when you kill one, the other one is close by but you can't see, and you're on your way, let's say up that road, and you're going to pass back because human beings are creatures of habit. The same road we used to go down a path, we used to reverse and come back, okay, to return wherever we came from. Bushmaster will take that dead snake, pull it away, come, the live one that you didn't know that was around will assume the same position and then bite you when you turn back. So I'm going to give this another one on its back to make sure that it's dead. Okay, dead now. Understand that? Don't play with snakes. Okay, don't play. Good. So that is as real as you will get on a farm. Snakes will always be around. You have to be able to detect them. There are some little tricks. I didn't do it this morning, but I felt like doing it. My intuition, God was talking to me, the universe. I was supposed to rub myself down with garlic so that the snake, with my arrival, with the song of my feet and my vibration, along with the smell of garlic, the snake would roll out. It will leave the premises, wherever it is. But I didn't do it. I didn't study my intuition. I have very strong intuition, okay? I know things, and most times I listen, sometimes I don't listen. So that ends this video. That I show you a real life story, okay, situation of me working on my project, my family project. We're cleaning up now. In the next video, you will see this place clean, okay? I was going down to the well, but I'm not going again because you've got to be wise. Why would you continue going down alone to work in a 400-year-old well that's dirty? That could be more snakes where that one came from, okay? And then get bit, and then there's no one to help. You know, one of the things that happens when you get snake bit is you should immediately mobilize. Don't move. Don't get frightened. Don't increase the heartbeat and the blood flow. And from down there, for me to come up by myself, running up hill, by the time I get up here, shout for everyone, my whole system would be, depending on which snake, and that's a viper, that's a powerful snake, okay? Go and Google that. They don't grow long, but when they touch you, it's like the fer de lance in my country. In Belize, we have the fer de lance, okay? That's the one that they use to create the heat-seeking missiles from. Okay, that will find your body heat, touch you, and then that will be it. Okay, they grow long, and the short ones are more dangerous because the bite is harder to find, and also because they jump. They come and meet you, they're super aggressive. These ones, just before I finish, vipers, they stand still. They don't come. They don't come to you. They stand still. You see the size of that, how thick that is. They stand still and they allow you to come close, and they will touch you. You've got to be sharp. Okay, no situation will not save a person if you're not an attentive person. You have to be sharp in the bush. Okay, so this is a little survival thing for you. It's not something to get scared about. I know most people don't like snakes. I don't like snakes either. Okay, but I've been in the jungle all my life. Okay, in this is my terrain. Okay, when you talk about that, I've been through situations, training and real, where I had to live in there without anything, just a machete. Okay, without anything for days, weeks. Okay, so I'm happy that I grew up in the jungle. I went in the military, and it was all jungle. Okay, and I became a jungle warfare instructor for almost a decade. So the jungle is normal, natural to me. I'm not scared of the jungle, but you have to use your senses, okay, your intuition, your attention. And when you work on a farm, it's good that if you're not a weak person, a person that didn't sleep correct, you're an alcoholic, you drink and smoke all the time, these things will throw you off on a farm, okay? So this is a Worldschooling Calabria video. It's not got children in there showing you X, Y, and Z about learning and education, but this is some education, especially for the kids survival training that I created and I'm offering for families. Okay? You're talking 140 plus videos, all under 1 minute, that I've used my expertise and military skills and training and lifetime of expertise in the jungle, training soldiers from all around the world, including my own country. Okay? How to, from the United Kingdom, the United States, the Special Forces, the Marines, the Singaporean paramilitary, the Mexicans, I have trained them. Okay? Of course, I had to get my training first. You can't train nobody if you're not being trained. That's how education works. But when the kids come here and they meet the entire farm like that, okay, they will be able to have fun. You, the family, parent, will be able to have fun. And you will show them this video and show them why survival knowledge is necessary. Why to detect certain type of plants, edible, non-edible, poisonous, non-poisonous, okay, type of plants, animals, floras and faunas on a whole. Why they need to know these things instead of just being living in the city on a tablet and a smartphone all day long. Okay, they need to balance themselves and they need to test themselves and present themselves a little while in nature so that they become one and blend with Mother Nature and they understand how things operate in the world, the real world, the world of nature. Then they will be stronger children, they will be smarter and more intelligent children because they know about nature. A lot of children, my daughter know about these things, okay? So I'm going to bring her out here now and she's going to see it because she knows. I teach her everything that I possibly can, my wife and I. We don't drown her with knowledge, but timely. She's only 8 years old. She knows these things and she can appreciate these things that other children have never seen, or I don't know if they will ever be fortunate to know about. This is Mervyn. Thank you for joining me in this other Worldschooling semi-survival video. I didn't intend it to be, but it came out to be a good piece of content. I met a real viper. I killed it in front of your face. I brought it in the open. I showed it to you. Now you know. You can Google vipers, especially in Italy, in southern Italy, and how they are. And don't be afraid and scared that the whole place is filled with viper and all this dirty and you will get bite. No, we're cleaning up, and when you're cleaning up, they go away. Okay, when the plow comes in and noise comes in and the tractors and everything and 10, 5, 15 workers, they go away. They go in that forest out there, in the jungle. That's where they go. Okay, so you can rest assured that everything will be okay. So if you find that it's dirty and I have to clean it and I'm at the initial stages of cleaning, then you will meet things like this, and I shared that with you. Thank you so much. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and leave your comments below. I love you. Bye.